You ever see a car that just looks expensive, but it's not the brand or the model? It's the vibe, the little things, the hidden upgrades that make it feel like the driver has money. But here's the catch. You can get that same vibe without actually spending a fortune. Today, I'm showing you 20 smart car accessories that instantly make your ride look and feel expensive. They're simple, stylish, and surprisingly cheap. No, I'm not talking about cheesy, flashy stuff. These are the kinds of upgrades that whisper luxury without yelling it. And trust me, once you see them, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. Here's the thing. Most people think the only way to make your car look rich is by buying an expensive car. But that's not true. The real secret? Details. The way your car smells, the lighting inside, how organized it is, how smooth everything feels. All those little details add up, and they change how people see you. You don't need to spend thousands. You just need the right tools. So let's break down the ones that work best. 1. Wireless charging pad. Qi. Let's start with clean design. A wireless charging pad looks simple, but it's a total game changer. No cables, no mess. You just drop your phone and it charges seamlessly. And when it's covered in leather or carbon finish, it looks like it came with the car. Costs under $30. 2. LED logo door lights. Ever seen someone open their door and the car's brand logo lights up on the pavement? You probably thought they drove a luxury car, but it's just a $15 plug-and-play add-on. It feels futuristic and sharp, and it gets attention. 3. Leather phone mount. Forget plastic clamps. A stitched leather magnetic phone mount blends into your dash and holds your phone like a pro. No rattling, no slipping, just clean premium function. It's one of those upgrades no one notices until they use it. 4. Backseat hooks and organizers. Clutter is the enemy of luxury. Simple hooks for bags and a fold-out trunk organizer keep everything off the floor. It's clean, easy, and instantly makes your car feel more expensive, even if you're just hiding groceries. 5. Ambient interior lighting. Soft lighting changes the entire mood of your car. You can install a full strip setup under your dash and seats for around $20. It's not about being flashy. It's about creating a glow that feels calm, cool, and classy. 6. Crystal gear knob. Okay, this one's bold, but if done right, it turns heads. A transparent, crystal-style shift knob reflects light like a gem. It's smooth to touch and feels high-end. Great for clean interiors. 7. Retractable sunshade. Standard sunshades are bulky and ugly. A retractable sunshade folds away like a scroll. It mounts clean, looks smart, and you never have to toss it in the back seat again. 8. Smart tire pressure valve caps. These tiny caps show color when your tire pressure is low. Green means you're good. Red means check it. It's functional and subtle. You won't see it every day, but it adds a layer of smart tech that says you care about the little things. 9. Rear view mirror dash cam. This one's hidden luxury. It looks like a normal mirror until it lights up as a screen with front and rear cameras. There are no wires or bulky mounts, just sleek, safe, and super modern. 10. Leather steering wheel wrap. A stitched leather wrap changes how your entire steering wheel feels. Tight fit, comfortable grip, and visually, it adds texture and warmth. The type of upgrade that people only notice once they touch it. 11. Mini fridge console. Yes, you can get a mini cooler that fits into your armrest. It keeps drinks cold, snacks fresh, and makes long drives feel way more luxurious. Plus, it plugs right into your car's power port. 12. Car perfume diffuser. Forget plastic air fresheners. A wood grain diffuser fits into your AC vent and slowly releases scent. It looks like decor, not a product. Choose a subtle scent and your car starts feeling like a spa on wheels. 13. Carbon fiber trim wraps. Fake? Yes, but effective. You can wrap parts of your dash or doors with carbon fiber vinyl and create contrast. It looks sharp if you keep it minimal, just enough to add texture. 14. Auto window close module. Ever forget to roll your windows up after locking the car? This tiny chip does it for you. Lock the car and it silently pulls up all open windows. Small action, big flex. 15. LED door sills. Your door sills are often scratched and ignored. These covers light up when you open the door, showing your car brand or a glowing line. Super slick and easy to install. 16. Voice Assistant Module with Display. Want to control music, ask for directions, or set timers without touching your phone? This assistant plugs in, listens to your voice, and adds a mini display near your dash. It feels like factory AI. 17. Headrest pillows. Luxury isn't always visible. Memory foam headrest pillows attach to your seat and add serious comfort. You won't see them at first, but once you drive with them, you won't go back. 18. Subtle underglow kit. Forget crazy colors, just soft white or cool blue under the frame. It highlights the silhouette of your car and adds a glow that looks expensive without being loud. 19. Touch cup holder lights. These light up your cup holders when you tap them. They're rechargeable, easy to install, and even come with sensor modes. At night, it feels like a spaceship inside your car. 20. Hidden trash bin. Keep your car clean without shoving napkins in the door. A leather-textured mini bin fits inside the cup holder or door slot and seals tight. No mess, no smell, no problem. Here's the crazy part. Most of these upgrades cost less than a dinner out. But what they give you? Confidence. Clean interiors, smart lighting, comfort, and that moment when someone sits in your car and says, "Dang, this is nice." You didn't buy a new car, you built a better one. One smart upgrade at a time. That's the difference between looking rich and being smart about it. So next time you're thinking about upgrading your ride, don't jump to the big stuff. Start small. Fix the feel. Clean the inside. Add comfort. Add style. These 20 car accessories are proof that a little goes a long way when it's done right. And in a world where people judge everything by first impressions, your car doesn't need to be a sports car to make people look twice. It just needs the right touch. If this helped, hit subscribe for more smart upgrades like these, and tell me in the comments, which of these would you actually try first?